Hello students, we are going to start this second part of the chapter Flying Together, class 5 English. Till now we have seen that there was a flock of geese living on a tall tree and there was a creeper growing at the bottom of the tree, and the wise old bird advised them to destroy the plant. Now let's continue reading the chapter. Well, there is no hurry, they replied. They means the flock of geese other than the old bird. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. So they are saying that it is very small. It will be a pity. Pity means a feeling of sorrow, sadness and kindness. Like it is a pity when we see a beggar without having anything to eat. We have this kind of sadness and kindness in our heart. We feel that way. That means pity. So if we destroy this small little plant, it will be a pity to destroy it now. Destroy the creeper while it is still young, the old bird advised. Advised means gave an opinion, recommended, offered a suggestion to be followed. Like a doctor asks us, a doctor advises us to drink 2 glasses of milk every day. So in that way, the old bird also advised that it is better that you kill the creeper. Destroy means kill it, damage it while it is still young. Why? Let's see. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. Later it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it. Tender means delicate, soft, not tough, like the tender flowers, the tender plants. So the small plant is tender, it is soft, so it is easy to cut. Later the plant will get hard and it will get thick, it will be difficult to cut it. We'll see, answered the birds. So they are not listening to the advice of the old goose. They are just saying, yeah, देखेंगे ऐसा करके. They answered the birds. But they did not destroy the creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. So winding, what does winding means? See, there is a word wind. Wind means a strong blow of air. Like when there is a storm, then the wind blows. So that is wind. But here the word is winding, not winding, winding. Winding means to go around in a circular way. So look at this creeper. It is growing around the tree. It is winding its way up the tree. And as I showed you in the last video also, some photographs. Let me show you again. Look at this picture. This creeper has winded its way up the tree. And look at how thick it is now. And it makes it climbing up the tree easier also. So see how this is how it was earlier. Now it has become very thick. So let's get back to the chapter. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. Stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as a thick rope, just like we saw in the last picture. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. Geese are also birds, they also need food. So birds go out during the daytime to get food, in search of food. So in the same way, the geese left the tree and went out to find food for them.